Hello, friends. Today we will talk about the defenses in the tort of, the defenses for the doctrine of strict liability. Now, what are they? They are totally 6 in number. 1. Act of God. Act of God. I hope you people remember. Now, if you are from the northern part of the country, you will remember the movie called OMG. If you are from Telugu, this movie called Gopala Gopala. It talks about the act of God. This is just for your remembrance. Plaintiff's own fault, act of God, or vis major, plaintiff's own fault, malicious act of stranger or third party, common benefit or consent of the plaintiff, statutory authority. Number 6 is natural use of land. Right? Act of God. According to, now there's a person that we have to remember here. One is, just for your remembrance, the movie OMG. The other one is Lord Mansfield. He said act of God means anything that is in opposition to the act of human. Now, what is act of God? Act of God, it is an act which cannot be foreseen by any amount of human ability and skill. It is an act which cannot be foreseen by any amount of human act or skill, ability or skill. And if foreseen, it cannot be prevented by any means of human care and skill. See, earthquake, OMG. Earthquake, storm, floods, lightning, blah 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 blah. Now, when was this defense was allowed for the first time in Nicholas versus Marsland? Now, what happened? The defendant had constructed 3 artificial lakes by damming up a natural stream. Defendant had constructed 3 lakes by damming up a natural stream. There was extraordinary rainfall, and the excessive flow of water from the defendant's lakes washed away 4 bridges that belonged to the plaintiff. In an action by the plaintiff, the defendant was held not liable on the ground that the loss was due to act of God. Now, there's another case. Now, what are the exceptions to this? In which situations the defendant cannot invoke this ground? Act of God is an exception to the rule of strict liability, is held not available in case of death due to electrocution as a result of falling of electric wires, due to lightning stroke or storm. Now, just remember the case laws. We need not read much about this. S.K. Shangrung Lamkang versus State of Manipur. Remember this case law. It's about electricity, wires, blah 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 blah. Plaintiff's own fault. If there is a fault on part of the plaintiff, he cannot take refuge. The defendant is not liable. If the plaintiff, okay, case law is Ponting versus Nooks. Mr. Nukaya. The plaintiff's horse died as a result of eating leaves of a poisonous tree on the defendant's land. The defendant was held not liable for the fault of the plaintiff for the default of the plaintiff on his part. Malicious act of stranger. The defendant is not liable if there is a malicious act of a third party or a stranger. Box versus Jub, J-U-B-B. The reservoir of the defendant overflowed due to the act of a stranger and caused damage to the plaintiff. The defendant was held not liable. Consent of the plaintiff for common benefit. The rule of strict liability does not apply if the defendant keeps the thing on his own land with the consent of the plaintiff or for the common benefit of the plaintiff and the defendant. In case law, in Carstairs versus Taylor, there was an overhead tank for the common benefit. Carstairs versus Taylor. There was an overhead tank for the common benefit of the plaintiff and the defendant. Owing to the overflow of water from the tank, the plaintiff's goods were damaged. In action by the plaintiff, the defendant was held not liable. Statutory authority, it means power or authority given by the law or legislature. Power or authority given by the law or legislature to do an act. If the defendant commits a tort in discharge of duty under statutory liability, he is not subjected to liability in tort. Now, let me repeat. Who is a statutory authority? It means power or authority given by a law or legislature to do an act. If the defendant commits a tort in the discharge of duty under statutory authority, he is not subjected to liability in tort. Now, there are a couple of case laws here. One is Green versus Chelsea Waterworks Company. The defendant had a statutory authority. Who is the defendant here? Chelsea Waterworks. They had a statutory authority to supply water. The main line broke and damaged the day. The main line broke. Plaintiff's premises were flooded with water. Now, he approached the court. Green approached the court. But the court said they had a statutory authority to supply water. So, the defendant said the defendant company would be liable if there is negligence on the part of the defendant's servant. Another case law, Madras Railway Company versus Zamindar of Karveti Nagaram. There were two tanks on the land of the defendant in the hilly district of Karveti Nagaram. These were very ancient tanks and were constructed in an unusual manner. The banks of these tanks were properly attended to and kept in repair. These tanks were the source of irrigation for cultivation in the district and were being used by cultivators from time immemorial. Usual rainfall, the banks of the tanks overflowed and burst, and the escaping water damaged the property of plaintiff's railway company. It was argued on behalf of the plaintiff that the principle enunciated in the case of Ryland Fletcher can be extended to this case. It was rejected by the Privy Council on the ground that the circumstances of the present case were essentially distinguishable from Ryland's case and held the defendant not liable. Now, let me repeat the case laws for each. Let me make a list of case laws for each case. Act of for each ground. There are totally 6 defenses. For Act of God, it is Nicholas versus Marsland. Exceptions are SK Shangrung Lamkang versus State of Manipur. For plaintiff's own fault, it is Ponting versus Nicholas. Ponting versus Noakes. Malicious act of stranger, it's Box versus Jar. Consent of the plaintiff, it is Carstairs versus Taylor. For statutory authority, there are 2 case laws. Green versus Chelsea Waterworks Company, Madras Railway Company versus Zamindar of Karveti Nagaram. For natural use, it is State of Punjab versus modern cultivators. Next video, we'll come with one more topic. Keep enjoying the process of learning law. Bye.